Hello students, good morning. Now today we are going to learn the new topic of this text, that is unbeatable supermom Mary Kom. Now we are going to discuss regarding the Mary Kom, who was unbeatable supermom. Why she was called supermom, that is also referred before. After that, before going to turn towards the actual lesson, as usual we must have to go through the warming up activities. First question, discuss and find out, that is also given here. Discuss and find out the jobs which were done only by men in the past, but nowadays women too have started doing them. Now we have to discuss as well as we have to find out jobs which were done only by men in the past, but nowadays women also they have started doing them, such as HR manager, medical manager, financial manager, accountant, auditor, tax examiner, revenue agent, medical scientist, psychologist, police force, army, pilot, various field are there. They are here. Women also, they also have started doing such type of jobs. Okay. Second question, complete the following web of India's winning medals in Olympics. India's winning medals in Olympics. Olympic medals. Boxing. Here Abhinav Bindra is also shown here. Okay. In boxing, as we have seen that Vijender Singh in boxing. Here it is. After that, next one in badminton. Here in badminton, one of the PV Sindhu, as we also know that PV Sindhu, here it is in badminton. She was a well-known one. She also got medals in badminton. Abhinav Bindra referred to shooting here. He refers to shooting. Again another medals in tennis. Tennis, as we have seen that Leander Pace. In tennis, as we have seen that tennis means what here, Leander Pace. Leander Pace got medal in tennis also. In wrestling, here in wrestling, Sushil Kumar, he was a famous one. He also won medals in wrestling. Also Sakshi Malik, she also got medal in winning wrestling also. Okay, these are all about Olympic medals and medalists. Now the text is about a famous female boxer, Mary Kom, who has brought laurels to our country by winning many national and international boxing championships. Make a list of famous men and women boxers across the world. You can take help of internet or your school library to get this information to complete the table. Now what we have to fill in that table: name of boxer, gender and country. One is done for you, one is given for you, that is Mary Kom. Regarding what Mary Kom was a female and country belongs to India. Here we have to write in that table, we have to fill up the table by winning many national as well as international boxing championships. Those laurels who got various things, or who what we say that laurels to our country by winning many national and international boxing championship. We have to make a list of such type of famous or well-known men and women boxers across the world. Okay, first one is given here, that is Mary Kom, who was a female and belongs to India. Second one here, Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali here, second one. Gender, that is male, and country belongs to US. Country belongs to US. Third one, Vijender Singh. Again, he is a male. Again, the Vijender Singh, he is a male, and he belongs to India. He belongs to India. Fourth, a famous or well-known boxer, that is Dolph Lundgren. Dolph Lundgren. He is also a male and he belongs to Sweden. Belongs to Sweden. And last one here, Dinko Singh. Dinko Singh, male from India. Male from India. Okay, these are the boxers or well-known boxers or well-known men and women boxers across the world. Okay, now we are going to turn towards the actual lesson, that is unbeatable supermom Mary Kom. But before going to turn towards the lesson, we must have to know about the author, that is Mary Kom. Mary Kom, Chungyinjung Mary Kom was born. Her name was Chungyinjung Mary Kom. That is also given in detail here. Chungyinjung Mary Kom was born on 24th November 1982. When she was born, 24th November 1982. His name was Chungyinjung Mary Kom. better known as Mary Kom. She was also known as Mary Kom. She is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from the Kom tribe in Manipur. As we have earlier studied that earlier, we know that she's a Olympic Indian boxer, and she was from Manipur tribe. She was from Manipur tribe, a well-known boxer. She is an Olympic Indian boxer hailing from the Kom tribe in Manipur. She is a six-time world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the six world championships. She is six times. She got six-time world champion medals. Here it is given, shown it is. She is a six-time world amateur boxing champion and only women boxer. She was the only women boxer to have won such type of medal in each one of the six world championships. Six times she got such type of award, world amateur boxing championship, and she was the only woman who won such type of medal in each one of the six world championships. Her nickname Magnificent Mary. Nickname, that is Magnificent Mary. She is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the summer 2012 Olympics, competing in the flyweight 51 kilo category and winning the bronze medal. She is also a single Indian woman boxer who got a chance, who has qualified for the Olympic event for summer 2012 Olympics, competing in the flyweight category of 51 kilo category and winning also also won the bronze medal. She is the only Indian boxer who was qualified for the Olympic and also won bronze medal. Okay, now we are turning towards the lesson. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports, and we have that story now. If Indians want to survive their life in sports, so for them we have a successful story here. Those who want to make their career, those who want to make their career in sports, they have a successful story here. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. Here, one of the personalities is mentioned here, and enough that is said about this great warrior. He is called a great warrior, and who conquered the whole world, who owned the whole world. This warrior is none other than Mary Mangat Kom, the conqueror and the comrade, who is none other than one of the warrior. This warrior is none other than Mary Mangat Kom, one of the comrade and conqueror. She is famed as 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championship. Here actually the printing mistake is given here, that is 5 times. Actually it is 6 times. We have to mention that it is a 6 times. Also given here where it is 6 times. Okay, here it is 6 times. 5 instead of 5 we have to take 6 here. Here she is famed as 6 times world boxing championship. She become the 6-time world boxing championship, and she is only boxer or Indian boxer to win a medal in every or each one of the 6 world championship. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kilogram flyweight category of boxing. As we have seen in the box, that she was the only Indian woman who qualified for the 2012 Olympics, and also she won a bronze medal in the 51 kilogram flyweight category, okay, of boxing. Kom was born in Kangthai village, Morang Lamkai in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. Where she was born, that is also given. It is also a very important question. She was born in Kangthai village. Where it is? Kangthai village in Morai Lamkai in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur. In the Manipur's rural part is there, and in the rural Manipur there was a Churachandpur district, and in that Morai Lamkai, near the Morai Lamkai, Kangthai village is there, and in Kangthai village she was born. Mary Kom was born in Kangthai village near Morang Lamkai in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur in eastern India. Okay, she came from a poor family. Her parents Mangat Tonpa Kom and Mangat Akham Kom were tenant farmers who work in jhum fields. Here the word jhum means what? Farming or shifting cultivation. Farming or shifting cultivation, that is called here jhum. her parents, name were also mentioned here. That is Mangat Tonpa and Mangat Akkam. Her parents, they were farmers. They were tenant farmers. They were tenant farmers who work in others' field. That is called tenant farmer here. Kom grew up in humble surroundings. What is meant by humble surroundings? That is simple and poor condition. As her father was a poor farmer, as we have seen that they were living in utter poverty, as they her tenant farmers, their parents, they were working as a tenant farmer who worked in jhum fields, and because of that she was grew up growing up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm related chores, going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Also she had done various things. Actually she grows up in simple and poor conditions, as her parents were very poor. They were poor farmers, and she, because of that, she uh, grows up in simple surrounding and poor conditions. Also she helps her parents with farm related chores, and also she goes to school and learn athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Initially at first she started athletics. At first she started to learn athletics, uh, as her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. Actually, her father, Mary Com's father, was a wrestler when he was young. In his younger age, he was a wrestler. So initially, she started to learn athletics, and later she started to learn boxing simultaneously. Okay, she had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri who returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal, Com recollects, had inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she too thought of giving it a try. Actually, initially she was interested in athletics, but because of Dinko Singh, she increased her interest in boxing. She increased her interest in boxing because of Dinko Singh. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, who was a fellow Manipuri who returned from a 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. Dinko Singh, a gold medalist. Dinko Singh, a medalist from Manipur. In 1998 Bangkok Asian Games, he got a gold medal, and Kom here recollects that she had inspired many youngsters in Manipur. Actually, because of Dinko Singh, many youngsters were inspired, and also they try boxing, and she also thought of giving it a try. It means that because of Dinko Singh, she also got inspiration boxing, for boxing, and she also tried for boxing. Initially, she was interested in athletics. Simultaneously, she also learned boxing, but because of Dinko Singh, who belongs to Bangkok Asian Games, actually Dinko Singh got gold medal in 1998, and various youngsters were got inspiration from Dinko Singh in Manipur, and they also try boxing. And after that, she also thought of giving it a try. And Mary Com's career started in 2000 after her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the regional championship in the West Bengal. Actually, her career was started in 2000 when she got a victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship. At first, she got championship when in 2000, after the victory in Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship. Here it is shows here. Here it is given, that is in 2000. In 2000, she got victory in Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship and the regional championship in the West Bengal. Actually, she had started her career in 2000 when she got a championship in Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship as well as the regional championship in West Bengal. Okay, in 2001 she started competing at international level. In 2000 she had got such type of victory as we have seen just now, but again later in 2001 she also turned towards the international level. She started competing at international level too, and she was only 18 years old when she made her international debut at the first AIBA, means AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kilogram weight category. Actually, at the same time when she was 18 years old, At the same time, she has made an international debut. Debut means what? Debut, first public appearance or performance. When she had made her first public performance, first public appearance, at the same time when she was just 18 years old, and she has made an international performance when at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship. First AIBA World Women, what we say that AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States was held in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kilogram weight category. At the same time, she got silver medal in 48 kilogram category in boxing. When she was just 18 years old, at the same time she had made an international debut at the first AIBA Women's Boxing Championship, which was held in United States. At the same time, she won a silver medal when she in the 48 kilogram flyweight category. Her greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. Actually, she was apologized as she hasn't got gold medal at the same time. So she apologized the whole nation as she hasn't got gold medal at the same time. Her greatness is reinforced. Reinforced means what? Strengthen. It is also given here. What is meant by reinforce? Strengthen. Her greatness is strengthened by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. Actually, she apologized the whole nation for what? As she hasn't received the gold medal at the same time. She is a legend. Legend means what here? One who makes history. One who makes history. So she called her legend here. She is a legend for sure and an idol for all sportsmen to look up to. Those who want to make their career in sports, she was a legend for them. She was a well-known person for them. She was an ideal person. She is an ideal person for them. Those who want to make their career in sports. It means that she was just only 18 years old. At the same time, she has made an international debut at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship, as we have seen that, which was held in US or United States. She got silver medal at the same time in 48 kilogram flyweight category, and also she apologized the whole nation for not being able to got silver medal at the same time. She is a legend for sure and idol for all the sportsmen to look up to. And also those who want to make their career in sports, she was become an idol or ideal person for those who want to make their career in sports. It was all about Mary Kom. Okay, now in tomorrow's lecture we are going to study regarding her interview. It is an interview. The text is about an interview. Interview was taken up by one of the sports kids, as we have seen that Taruka Srivastav. Later we are going to study that, and in the whole interview she is going to what we say that she is going to speak us the whole achievements, her whole achievements, whatever she had taken. Okay, these achievements are we are going to study in tomorrow's lecture. Okay, thank you.